Hi, I want to talk to you about the Sealody SSA51. It's a soldering iron that I purchased with my own money. I was skeptical because I didn't see any really good reviews. This is the iron though, and it comes with a replacement tip. It has an aluminum base stand, which I like way more than those coiled stands. It feels much more sturdy. It comes with a sponge and metal coil rings to clean the tip. It has this screw-in feature to the base, which I really like. If you've used cheap soldering irons before and it has a plug in the wall, you're always afraid you're going to pull it out. This feels very secure and professional, which is really nice when you're soldering. It plugs into the base, which feels nice and sturdy, but it's still light, so you can move it around and carry it to places. It has buttons on the front, which I like more than the knob because they won't break off in the bag. We're going to take some 60-40 solder here, and I'm going to show you how fast it can melt. So I flip it on, and it's going to turn to 380 degrees Celsius, which is like what it defaults to. The iron heats up really quick, and I like that about this. It melts solder really, really fast. And so I'm just kind of poking the tip here, still waiting on it to get there. It takes just a moment after, and then it starts to get going. So as you can kind of see, it fires up pretty quickly. It's starting to melt the solder here now. It's just a really nice iron, especially at the price point that it's at. Right now it's about $50 on Amazon.com. And so far I've really enjoyed this soldering iron.